Hey everyone, my name is Russ, and me and my team are excited to present you the SkySniff Aerial Optical Gas Imaging Drone. This is our CSE 237D Embedded Systems Design project for spring 2025. I'm Russ, these are my teammates Sam and Eric, and let's get into it. A little bit about me to start. I'm Russ, and I have a credit card. I'm a master's student in ECE and a software engineer at General Atomics. And what I did for this project is I designed our hardware architecture and I wrote the operator GUI. A little fun fact about me, fun fact about the project is that I wrote our operator GUI at the Pacific Beach Ale House, and the first gas leak that we detected was someone's cigarette smoke.
Hi everyone, I'm Sam. I'm a senior math CS major here at UCSD. I helped build the dataset for the gas leak plumes, and I wrote documentation. A fun fact about me is I competed in the Blackstone Launchpad in 2024.
Hey everyone, my name is Eric. I'm a computer engineering major, and for this project, I made machines learn. My contributions are implementing and training the ML model and optimizing the software for real-time processing. A fun fact is I like to make music on the computer. The motivations for this project are gas leaks are dangerous and bad for an environment, and our project SkySniff makes them easy to find so operators can fix the problems earlier and easier.
So just here's some numbers to elaborate this. Gas leaks cause over $2 billion in damages a year. Over 200,000 natural gas leaks per year end up requiring emergency responses. This costs U.S. fire departments at least $500–600 million yearly. One specific example is in New York City, where they experienced 22,090 gas leak incidents. One major leak released 40,000 tons of methane during a 17-day period in December 2021. This is equivalent to 3% of Mexico's annual oil and gas emissions. Gas leaks account for 1% of the U.S. carbon footprint.
So now I'm sure that you guys are just as convinced as we are that gas leaks are a huge problem. Let's take you through SkySniff. So SkySniff is a state-of-the-art optical gas imaging system with a sub $1,000 bill of materials. So to do this, we use a vanadium oxide sensor, which is ITAR free and provides high-quality long-wave infrared imaging at a low cost. We use a 2x2 MIMO video uplink, which allows for full resolution streaming in real time with up to 2 miles of range. And we put this all on this little microdrone platform, which means no FAA licensing or ITAR restrictions. So anyone can buy or build one, and you can fly it indoor or outdoor, wherever, whenever you want. So how our software actually works is we have our radio interfaces to the drone, which actually take the raw data, which is the drone telemetry and the IR frame and the HD camera, and we send those over the radio to our receivers on the operator laptop. The operator laptop runs this Streamlit Web GUI, which passes the data down into our pipelines. So we have a Fusion program pipeline, which takes the visual frame and the IR frame and collates them down and generates one high resolution fused image. And we have a infrared classifier. The infrared classifier is trained on our custom data set of gas leaks and identifies if there's a leak and where the leak is and highlights it. And then we use this fused visualizer, which takes the infrared segmentation data and puts it on the fused image. And then we output that to the GUI so the user can see when a leak occurs, where it is, all in real time. And now that I've shown you how it works and what the pieces are, let's go into it. Hey guys, welcome to the SkySniff gas leak detection GUI. Let me just give you a quick tour and then let's go see a real leak. So here we can see an AI upscaling demonstration where we have an HD camera, an IR imager, and a fused image. Notice how you can see all the details from the IR imager and the heat signatures, but in the full resolution of the HD camera. Going down to the AI detection demonstration, we can see it's a person detector right now, and we can see true if a person's detected, false if not, and it shows our coordinates. Welcome to my front porch. So I have my Mustang out here, and I'm just here to show you that the gas leak detection works. We can actually see the smoke plumes from the Mustang coming up. We can see the plumes right down there, and then we can actually see the little gas clouds coming up right here.